Dreaming of becoming doctors, study MBBS at NMC and WHO recognized universities in Bangladesh, Nepal, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan and Timor-Leste at a fraction of the cost in India. From admissions and visas to education loans, Good Shepherd handles it all. Visit Good Shepherd Shillong today.
Kajialang Kanhun Menteri ke Sorkar MDA2 haka khalai trigunailar arja arpun Rio kalau Mynjur yaka draft resolution against the mining of uranium haka jilla Meghalaya. Habak ran sigilat pathai kubor hadin kajialang Menteri rangba ka jellau Conrad ke sangma ula pentip bayakani ka draft resolution an sawanra haka Dorbar Synrai jong ka yeng Dorbar thawan ka jilla kepala bu ban sedang nadu ka arpusau trigunailar arja arpun Rio. Ulang bagani karai kapan skembiang ya kenong rem jong Sorkar Meghalaya ban Pyrshah ya kenu jing temu ban ti uranium haka jella. Conrad ke sangma ulang ru baling ba kani ka resolution ke Sorkar jella kan pa ya jing tho sya ke Sorkar India ban penpau ya jing Pyrshah ban kentu banom sya ya kenu ka kam ti uranium ha Meghalaya.
The first item was the approval of the draft resolution against the mining of uranium in the state of Meghalaya, which will be moved in the upcoming autumn session of 2026, which will start on the 24th of this month. So the resolution was cleared by the cabinet today. The resolution is very clear that we are appealing to Government of India that any form of mining or any kind of activity in relation to uranium should not be done in the state of Meghalaya. So once that is moved, then obviously all steps from our side in every possible way to ensure that none of these activities takes place, all efforts will be made from our side.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bhag ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.